Okay, in this video we are going to discuss about arithmetic sequence. So we have a few formulas untuk kita ingat. Okay, so we have Tn equals to 1 plus n minus 1d. This formula is used to find terms. For example, we want to find T3, third term. Okay, third term. So just substitute into formula a plus n minus 1 times d. So what is a? A is first term, okay, and d is difference. So how to find difference? Kita akan ambil dia punya t. For example, we have t2, we minus dengan t1, term before that. Okay, so itu adalah difference. And we have here formula for formula to find sum in arithmetic sequence. The formula is Sn equals to n over 2 plus n minus 1d. Or if we have the last term in that sequence, we can use this formula Sn equals to n over 2 a plus l. Okay, and macam mana kita nak tahu that sequence is an arithmetic sequence? First, for example, we look at these examples. We have 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So this sequence, macam mana kita nak tahu dia adalah arithmetic? First kali, arithmetic dia mesti ada d. Okay, arithmetic mesti ada d. What is d? D adalah difference. So maksudnya between T2 and T1, for example, kita boleh cari dia punya perbezaan dia punya difference. Dan perbezaan dia mesti sama bagi setiap term. So for example, we need to find d. So kita ambil 4 minus 2, so we can get 2. Sama juga kalau kita ambil dia punya difference from this one, 8 minus 6. Okay, or d equals to 8 minus 6, 2. Okay, so dia ada difference. Maksudnya from one term to the next term, sama ada kita tambah ataupun tolak a constant. That is arithmetic sequence. Okay, so jom kita cari. Okay, example ni kita nak cari what is T8. Okay, 8 term of this sequence. So we know the formula for to find term. Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 d. For this example, we have a equals to 2, d equals to 2. Okay, this is a. Okay, first term kita adalah a. So substitute a, 2 plus n, this is our n. So 8 minus 1 times d. What is d? 2. So kita pun kira lah, 2 plus 14, 7 times 2, 14. So we get T8 equals to 16. Okay, so that is how we need to find term. Sekarang cuba kita cari, macam mana kita nak cari sum. Okay, contohnya, okay, from this sequence kita nak cari sum of first 10 term. Okay, so maksudnya dekat sini kita akan tambahkan 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. Okay, sebab kita tahu kan, this is T1, this is T2, T3 sampai habis lah. So S10 adalah T1 plus T2 plus T3 up until T10. So kita tahu berapa sum of T1 sampai T10. Kita tambahkan T1 sampai T10. Tapi takkan kita nak tambah satu-satu kan? So we just substitute into formula Sn equals to n over 2. Okay, so 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Again, we need to find S10, the sum of the first 10 term. So 10 over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so kita pun kira lah. 5, 4 plus 18. Okay, 18, 22, 22 times 5. So 22 times 5, 110. So S10 equals to 110. Okay, question number 1. The difference between 20th and 40th term of an arithmetic sequence is 40. Find the 100th term if second term is 2. So from here, kita dah ada dua information. Okay, first kali we'll baca soalan, kita kena determine dulu what is our sequence, sama ada arithmetic ataupun geometric. So obviously this is an arithmetic sequence. Then kita keluarkan apa soalan dah bagi. So the first sentence we have difference between 20th and 40th term. So that means T40 minus T20 equals to 40. So this is the first info yang kita ada. Okay. Then dia kata find the 100 terms if the second term is 2. So another one we have second term. So T2 equals to 2. Okay. So kita tahu dia adalah arithmetic sequence. Then we need to deal with term. So formula untuk Tn equals to A plus N minus 1 D. So for this question, kita akan gunakan formula ini. Okay, so kita masukkanlah T40. T40 A plus N minus 1. So for T minus 1 times D. So this is T40 minus A plus N minus 1 times D. Okay, this is T20 equals to 40. Okay. So selesaikan ini. A plus 39D minus A minus 19D equals to 40. So 20D equals to 40. D equals to 2. Okay. So ini baru yang the first info. Sekarang ni cuba kita tengok the second one, T2. So dia kata T2 equals to 2. So masukkan dalam formula yang sama. A plus N minus 1. So 2 minus 1 times D equals to 2. Okay. But here we already have 2. D equals to 2. So A equals to 0. So kita dah ada. Kita tukar pen sekejap. We have D equals to 2. A equals to 0. So now kita tengok balik soalan. Soalan suruh cari find the 100 term. So we need to find what is T100. So T100 equals to, okay, masih lagi A plus N minus 1 D. So A 0 plus N minus 1. So 100 minus 1 times D. So we have 99 times 2 equals to 198. So that is question 1. Moving to question 2. Question 2, kita baca soalan. The first term, which is A, and common difference of an arithmetic progression, arithmetic sequence, arithmetic progression, okay, sama je, D, are A and negative 2 respectively. So from here we have A, yang kita tak tahu, and D equals to negative 2. Okay, then kita baca pula the second sentence. The sum of the first n term, so sum of the first n term, this is Sn, is equal to the sum of the first, the sum of the first 3n term. So this is S3n. So we have another one, Sn equals to S3n. Express A in terms of n. Hence, show that n equals to 7 if A equals to 27. So kita kena rearrange so that we have A equals to apa-apa in terms of n. And show that n equals to 7 if A equals to 27. Okay, so for this question, we will use this formula. Sn. Okay, situ kat atas. Sn equals to, yeah, this one is S3n. Okay, n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So we will use this formula. So Sn, n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d equals to, so S3n, 3n over 2 times 2a plus 3n minus 1 times d. Okay, so kita dah ada d, so terus substitute lah. N over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times negative 2, 3n over 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 times negative 2. Okay, so simplify each side. So we'll get 2a plus, minus 2n plus 2 equals to 6a minus 18n plus 6. Okay, dah siap untuk each side. Tapi dia kata express a in terms of n. So kita akan rearrange. Okay, so 2a minus 6a equals to negative 18n plus 2n plus 6 minus 2, negative 4a equals to negative 16n plus 4. So a equals to, divide all terms with negative 4, 4n minus 1. Okay, so kita dah ada apa yang kita nak, the first one. Hence, show that n equals to 7 if a equals to 27. So, bila kita ada soalan hence, maksudnya we need to use apa yang kita dah buat sebelum ni untuk cari n. Okay, so when a equals to 27, so kita akan masukkan dalam a equals to 4n minus 1. So, 27, 4 times n, 4n minus 1. So, rearrange, we get 4n equals to 28, n equals to 7. So, shown. Okay, so kena ingat satu benda dekat sini. If we have hence, maksudnya kita kena gunakan apa yang kita dah buat before this untuk cari the value 7. Question 3. In an arithmetic progression, the sum of the first 4 term is 46 and the 7th term exceeds twice of the second term by 5. Okay, so kita tengok balik apa yang dia dah bagi. Sum of the first 4 term is 46. So, this one is S4. So, we have S4 equals to 46. And again, soalan kita adalah arithmetic. Okay, then apa lagi yang dia bagi? The 7th term, so T7, exceed twice of the second term by 5. T2. Oops. Kita guna biru lah. Okay, so T2 by 5. So, maksudnya kat sini, T7 melebihi T2 by 5. So, maksudnya T7 tu lebih daripada twice T2 sebanyak 5. So, T7 melebihi. So, kalau T7 kita minuskan dengan twice T2, beza dia kita dapat 5. So, itu sebenarnya ayat dia. Okay. The 7th term exceed, dia lebih. So, maksudnya kalau kita tolakkan T7 dengan twice T2, kita dapat 5. Okay. So, itu apa yang kita dapat. Obtain the first term and common difference for this progression. So, we need to find what is A and what is D for the progression. Hence, calculate the sum of the first 10 even terms of the progression. Okay, so dia nak sekarang bukan S10. Dia nak S10 even. Okay, so nanti kita akan tengok. Okay, so sekarang ni kita kira dulu. Kita kira dulu S4 equals to 46. So, formula untuk Sn, this is the formula. Sn equals to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times t. Masukkan everything yang kita ada. So, S4. Okay, we need to find S4 kan. Masukkan terus lah. N equals to 4. So, 4 over 2, 2a plus 4 minus 1 times d equals to 46. Okay. So, rearrange, simplify semua, we'll get the first one is 2a plus 3d equals to 23. So, this is the first equation. So the second one, T7 minus 2T2 equals to 5. So kita akan guna formula Tn equals to A plus N minus 1 times D. So T7 A plus 7 minus 1 times D minus T2 2T2 sorry. Okay, 2 times A plus 2 minus 1 times D equals to 5. Okay, so simplify, rearrange. Kita akan dapat A equals to 4D minus 5. So this is the second equation. Sekarang kita akan solve simultaneous equation. Solve 1 and 2 to find A and D. So apa yang kita akan buat? Substitute 2 into 1. Buatlah macam mana pun, asalkan kita selesaikan simultaneous equation. So substitute. So kita akan dapat 11D equals to 33, D equals to 3. Then substitute D equals to 3 into 2. So A 4 times 3 minus 5. So we'll get A equals to 7. Okay, so now kita dah jawab soalan. D equals to 3, A equals to 7. So sekarang kita akan calculate the sum of the first. Sini sum of the first 10 even terms. Okay, sebelum kita buat 10 even terms tu, kita susun dulu term kita punya progression kita tu. Okay, sekarang ni kita ada A equals to 7. So 7. So what is the second term? T2. So 7 plus 3, 10. Okay, so kita cari pula T3. T3, 13. So kita cari pula what is T4? 16. What is T5? 19. What is T6? 21. Okay, so this one is A yang kita dapat tadi. Okay, so D equals to 3. So tambah semualah jadi 3. Okay, tapi sekarang dia kata dia nak even terms. So bila even terms, kita hanya akan gunakan number-number even sahaja. So we will use 10, 16. Sorry, this one is 22, bukan 21. Okay, 22. Okay, so 22 and so on. Kita akan gunakan yang pink-pink tu saja. So bila kita gunakan yang pink tu, kita akan buat sequence baru. A kita akan jadi 10. D kita bukan lagi 3. D kita adalah this one. From pink ini kepada pink ini. So beza dia berapa? 6. So D equals to 6. So masukkanlah S10 equals to N over 2. So 10 over 2 2A plus N minus 1 times D. Okay, so ingat sekarang ni kita dah tak guna A equals to 7, D equals to 3. Kita akan gunakan A baru, which is 10, and difference baru, which is 6. Okay, so selesaikan. 10 over 2, 2 times 10 plus 9 times 6. Kita akan dapat 370. Okay, so done for question 3. Okay, question 4. Find the sum of even numbers between 199 and 1999. Okay, sekarang ni dia tak bagi tahu pun A kita apa, D kita apa, dan we don't have the sequence pun. So kita create dulu sequence dia. supaya senang untuk kita cari A, kita nak cari D. Okay, so dia kata even numbers, sum of even numbers between 1999 and 1999. Banyak 9 dia. Okay, kita listkan dulu Dia nak even numbers. So, 199 and 1999 kita exclude kan. So, we'll start with 200, 202, 204, 206, up until, what is the last number? The last number adalah before 1999, which is 1998. Okay, so that is the last term lah sebenarnya. Okay, tulis balik 998. Okay, sekarang ni dia nak sum, hasil tambah semua number from 200 to 1998. Okay, so bila nak sum, kita boleh gunakan this formula. Sn equals to n over 2 A plus L. Kenapa kita boleh gunakan formula ni? Sebab we have A, which is 200, and we have L, 1998. But then, we don't have N. Kita tak ada N. So, macam mana kita nak cari N? Kita akan cari N from this one. Sekejap, merah. Okay. Tn equals to A plus N minus 1 times D. Kita akan gunakan yang ini. Tapi nak cari yang mana? Kita akan ambil, kita sekarang ni macam ni tau. Masalah kita sekarang adalah, kita tak tahu what is N. So, kita nak cari N menggunakan formula Tn. Okay, macam kita nak cari, kita masukkan. Kita sekarang ni, kita cuba teka. Sebab kita nak tahu berapa bilangan N. So, kita ambil the last term. 1998. Okay, masukkan dalam ni untuk cari N. So, we have A equals to 200 plus N minus 1. Itu yang kita nak cari. D. So, what is D? From this question, we have D equals to 2. Mana dapat 2? 202 minus 200. Okay, so kita pun selesaikan. Kita akan dapat N equals to 900. So, maksudnya, from 200 sampai 1998, kita ada 900 numbers. So, N ini yang kita akan gunakan untuk cari the sum of even numbers. Okay, so this one is N. Dan masukkan S 900 equals to 900 over 2 times A 200 plus the last term 1998. Okay, so kita selesaikan. Kita akan dapat 989100. Okay, so boleh guna yang ini ataupun sebenarnya boleh juga gunakan yang ini. Sn equals to n over 2 2a plus n minus 1d pun boleh. So, S 900 over 2 2 times 200 plus 900 minus 1 times D. So, we'll get the same answer, 989100. Okay, done for question 4.